Sailor! This is MJ the Sailor, and how are you all? Mga ka-sailor, I'm gonna show you the Christmas decor what we had on board. So far, ang team po namin ay mostly green, silver, gold, and red ang ambience po na or ang team ng kanilang mga Christmas decor on board. At syempre mga ka-sailor, hindi natin kakalimutan ang aming Christmas village na kung saan ito po ay nakasetup na at ready for viewing. At ang lahat ng yan, maya-maya lamang ay makikita natin. Kaya stay tuned mga ka-sailor! At bago nga po natin simulan yan mga ka-sailor, kung bago ka sa aking channel, this is MJ the Sailor. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe button and turn on the notification bell para kayo laging updated sa mga bagong video. And of course, our number one priority is the safety and health of the crew and guests on board. So we follow safety and health protocols on board. Aside from wearing face masks on board, we do social distancing and regularly washing our hands. And let's go. Let's walk around and let's give you a ship's tour. So this is the midship. There you go. That's the Christmas tree. This is the garlands where they have it. They're setting up now the Christmas village. As you can see, there you go. So the decorations, that's the main entrance. They're setting up the Christmas village right there. Look how beautiful it is. The color combination are very eye-catching. I ever wonder how many pounds of sugar, flour, or how many trays of egg they use to make those Christmas village. Do you have any idea? And let's walk around mga ka-sailor. So let's go to the biggest dining room on board. And this is the Christmas tree. It's a team red and gold Christmas tree. This is one of the biggest dining room on board. There you go. And as moving forward, let's go and check it out. And here is more on gold with touch of red. And another one. There you go. This one is the same as well. It's like gold with touch of red. And moving forward, these are the garlands along the hallways. And there's the Christmas village for you to take photos. And this one is green, red with touch of gold Christmas tree. Most of the outlets have their own Christmas tree. So this is how they decorate the touch of gold, red, green. There, this is the midship area. And people taking photos already with our gingerbread house or the Christmas village.
Yeah, boy.
Beautiful Christmas village, nice color, very appealing. And moving forward, this is one of the bar on board, is the Ice Bar by Sky Vodka. This Christmas tree is different. This is touch of silver and gold since it's ice bar. There you go, you can see silver and gold. The Ice Bar, Sky Vodka, and our Christmas village is already out. How beautiful. Thanks to our hardworking chef who set up and prepared all this. That's all for the meantime mga ka-sailor. I'll see you guys on my next video. This is MJ the Sailor.